Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Rice Packaging Factory by Agro Caipira, or Pira. Caipira? Yes. Okay. On Farming Simulator 25, it's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the 4 fields, and this is a pack of 2 productions, a rice husker and a rice packaging factory. Fairly small in size and capacity. I believe we have a light switch here. Yes. All right. So the first thing you're going to need is the husker. And it takes, well, input is here. Excuse me, here. And it takes long grain rice and regular rice. And we have 2 recipes here. 30,000 liter capacity, 30,000 liter output. So let's turn them both on. Recipe is 1 rice in, and then you get husked rice and rice husk. So you get a product and a byproduct. Once you get those products, the husked rice goes in here to be packaged husked rice, and you will get a rice packet. So 100 liters go in, 90 come out. That's a bit of an odd I don't know where the it's a product you're packaging. I don't know where the extra goes. Although in this production here, you get 1 liter in and you get 0.9 husked rice and 0.1 rice husk out. So equal in, equal out. Just the packing facility, I guess there's damaged product or whatever, I don't know. All right. So since that has been turned on, what have we got here for, do we have, can we see what we got? Oh yes, there we go. And it's chugging along. So how fast is it? Well, 36,000 cycles per month. We've got some product already, but we're going to scoot it along for 1 month, and then we're going to transfer the product into our next process. All right, so we have 30,000 liters of husked rice and rice husk as a byproduct. Let's first go here, and any trailer should hold both products. So we got the rice and the husk, which we have here. We got the husk and the husked rice. So let's, oh, it's white too. Nice. So this, oh, is slow. Okay, it's going to take a minute. All right. Now that that's done, we can transfer it over into our, there. So let's dump that into our processor there. Da, 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 da. And it only takes 24,000 liters. Interesting. All right, well, let's turn it on and make some rice packets. Can you sell the husked rice? Yes, we can. 6,000 liters. Gives us $35,000. And let's see. What would it be under? The rice packet is $5,000 per 1,000. And we did look at, it would be under husked rice. I missed it. Husked rice, 5,000 per 1,000 liters. So, right? 63 at the peak And rice packet. And it doesn't... Why are we getting less for making the packets of rice? That's weird. Sell points. Do we have a sell point that... No? Okay, well, we'll have to see. That seems like, why would you make them in packets? You're losing... And we got some already. Alright, so it's not liftable. Made in farm for your life. Okay. Seems on the outside of things, it looks like I'm losing money by packaging it and not selling it in bulk. But let's sell, or let's load the rice husk, which you cannot package. It is a byproduct, and it looks like straw. So there we go. And the rice husk also pays out, it pays out pretty good, $1,700 per 1,000 liters. That's decent price. Yeah, so $5,800 just for selling byproduct. I don't think you can make anything else with it. At least nothing in this pack. Now, rice packet, 5,100 per 1,000 liters. And you get more for selling it without packaging it. Depending on the time of year, maybe. All right, well, it's already produced some. It seems pretty fast. So that's cool. Let's go here. Let's grab a forklift if you want to hang with me for a second. We're going to grab one of those pallets. It looks like the pallets produce really quickly. So that actually is interesting, because you would think, yes, packaging it, you're just putting it into bags and putting it on a pallet. So that should happen pretty quickly. So that's... Okay, can we pick one up, please? Thank you. Okay, there we go. So, 1,000 liters, yes. So... And $5,200, yeah. So, doesn't make sense to me why you would package it on pallets unless it's role play. So this seems like a role play additional feature. This, if you just want to husk your rice and sell it, how much does... Okay, well, I guess we have to compare apples to apples. And so you can make rice bags too out of rice. Rice is up here under our grains and produce. So how much does rice sell for? $3,000. Right. So it does. It is. And then we have long grain rice too. A little bit less. Actually, you're better off doing long grain rice, husking it, selling it. You make a good profit, but don't bag it. That's my opinion. At least I'm on Easy Economy here, so that's Rice Packaging Factory. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, bye for now.